Many people, especially South Africans, they believe that there are no Nigerian companies that are operating in South Africa. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you top 5 companies, Nigerian companies that are operating in South Africa and are functional, and I'm going to elaborate on how they are functional. Maybe you have not seen them in your local market. I will explain that why you are not seeing them. Please, if you are new here, please make sure that you like and you subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. My name is Mascole. This is Let's Talk Africa. Today we are going to be talking about these top 5 Nigerian companies that are in South Africa and are operating in South Africa. Many of you might not know them, or you may not see them in the day-to-day shopping. You may not see them or in whatever sector that you are busy, but these companies are available in South Africa and they are operating. Number 5, we're going to be starting with number 5. If you know which company you think that is going to number 1, please comment in the comment section. Number 5 is a Jumia company. It's a Jumia company. If I'm pronouncing it okay, it's Jumai. It's an e-commerce company like Takealot and Amazon. They are selling a true app. This company is creating a lot of opportunities in South Africa. How does it create opportunity? Because it's the company that provide e-services through e-commerce. So that means there are delivery company that will be involved, and there are courier that will be involved. South African couriers and delivery companies of South Africans and warehouses of South Africans that will be involved will make sure that the chain is continuing of these companies. This company is doing I think he is doing a great job in South Africa, and it has about 16 million active customers. But this 16 million active customer is not only in South Africa alone. So it operates around 11 countries in Africa. So it's a very, very big company, but its footprint in South Africa is not that visible as our day-to-day e-commerce, like your Takealot and your Amazon and your Macro. So it's not that big. It's not that bigger available, but it is available in South Africa, and also you can go and check it. While you are doing it, please don't forget to subscribe. And number 4 is going to be Access Bank. Many people, they do not see Access Bank in South Africa. They will ask you where its branches. Access Bank is servicing a certain clientele, right? Is servicing a certain clientele. It operates around 20 countries in Africa, and also it has about 60 million customers worldwide. It has 7,000 plus service outlets, you see. So it is a strong digital bank, this one. That is why you are not seeing it. In South Africa, Access Bank has representative in office South Africa, supporting corporation clients and financial trade and investment. So that means it has the target market you may not see on your day-to-day bank, but it's the bank that is functioning in South Africa, and many Africans are using it. Maybe or business people in Africa are using it to make transaction easy for them. So this is one of the bank that is operating in South Africa. You said, how does it have employment? There is an employment of it. Because if it's a company, it has to have employment in South Africa, creating employment for banking professional in the areas such as finance, risk, compliance, technology, custom service, and operations. So they have to have employees there, but their employers are going to be very, very minimum because it's not a big operation scale. They are servicing a certain clientele. All right, let's continue and go to number 3. It's Uber. It's Uber, UBA. It's a United Bank of Africa. It's one of it operates also in Southern Africa. These companies are Nigerian based company, right? It operates, what it does, it provides retail, corporation, investment, banking, payment, and financial service. In capacity, it operates about in 20 African countries with over 25 million customers and a strong pan-African network. So you see, Uber has a corporate banking presence in South Africa, supporting business, trade, and cross-border transaction. You see how these businesses are operating in South Africa. You might not see them, maybe you may not see them on a big building where they will have their big building open and all of the stuff. So those are the things that you might not see, but these are the Nigerian companies that are in existence in South Africa. And let us move to number 2. Number 2 is a Flutterwave, if I'm pronouncing it right. It's a Flutterwave. It provides payment system. It provides payment technology solution for businesses, including online payment, checking and transaction, and financial infrastructure. How does it operate? It has like operating like in about 30 countries. It has about 1,000 employees and trusted by 100,000 businesses. So it is a functioning company that is in South Africa. When I say trusted by 100,000 plus businesses, I'm saying businesses across the board. Maybe your business can be small, but you might find out that you are using their technology. Maybe it can be you are using another payment system, but you might find out that it is their technology behind that transaction, right? So we are going to go to number 1. I think 1 is by far the biggest. Is by far the biggest is Dangote Group. Dangote Group, it provides cement, sugar, salt, flour, oil, gas, logistic, and industrial products. So Dangote Group is what it does in South Africa, supplying cement and clinker to South African market through export and trade network. So it also provides jobs for South Africans. How does it provide jobs? Through logistics, because their product needed to be transported across Africa is going to be transported by a different company, but that Dangote has a impact on that logistic. So it creates employment, direct or indirect job across Africa through production and logistics, as I said. So it's one of the biggest Nigerian companies that are in South Africa. Yes, these are the companies that top 5 that are operating in South Africa. What do you think about this? And I will hear you from the comment section. Thank you very much. Peace.